Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing one contact method, email or mobile, and a secure browser session. Once ready, go to the account creation flow and click Create Account. Choose whether to use an email address or a phone number. Then, type your display name, select your country and birth date, and make a strong password with letters, digits, and symbols. Make sure to avoid reused passwords. This reduces risk. Finish this step by solving the CAPTCHA or quick security challenge so you can proceed. Once you receive the verification code, enter it exactly as shown. You have limited time before it expires. Next, add recovery options, an alternate email or phone, because they let you regain access if you forget the password. Also, set security preferences and consider enabling two-step verification now. It uses SMS or the Authenticator app to block unauthorized access. Make sure to review privacy and cookie settings while you are still in setup, because these choices affect data shared with Microsoft services. You finish by signing into a device or Office app to link this account and sync preferences. Personalization helps with recovery and convenience. Install Microsoft Authenticator if you want app-generated codes, which are more reliable than SMS, and add device PINs where supported. Finally, verify your profile photo and contact info so support can confirm your identity. If something goes wrong, for example, you do not get a code, check spam. Confirm the number or email, then request a new code.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.